as a company we have to change, and we took some steps. We took some strategic steps, and AI transformation partner program was a strategy that we took exactly 11 months ago. So what is AI transformation partner program? This is like a step-by-step strategy that we devised in order to make Nuventure AI ready. Now you understand that AI is not going to replace you, AI is going to give you more power. It gives you great power, but you have to be responsible for it. For Center of Excellence, we plan to have 3 different groups. One is AI integration specialist, and other one is cognitive agent specialists, and then foundational specialists. These are totally based on the vision statement you shared.
Agentic AI differs where it works on a goal. So it has a goal, you ask a question, you ask the AI to build something, it sets a goal to, hey, okay, I'll build so and so thing, and it will break down the steps, and its objective is to achieve that goal that we have told it.